Hi guys, this is Rishabh Kapoor from websofttutorials.com. In this video guys, we will talk about where clause. Guys, where clause is used to add some condition to the query. Means we will add some condition with the help of where clause. Guys, you can use where clause with any query. Means whether it is an insert query, delete query, update query or select query. So in this tutorial we will use it with select query. Means we will apply some condition on select query. So firstly we will go to browser. You can see this is the data which we were retrieving in from previous tutorial, name and email. Guys, I have added two more fields, means two more columns. First one is marks and second is grade. You can see Rishabh has secured 300, Nitin has secured 400, and in the same way I have given the grades to the students. So we will use in this tutorial. So firstly we will apply some condition to the select query. So and its syntax is select star from students record, means the name of the table. Then after that you need to write a where clause. So we will write where and then condition on which column you want to apply the condition. Suppose I want to select those students records who has secured more than 300 marks. So I will write where marks is greater than or equal to 300, means it will return the data of those students who have secured marks more than 300. So we will go to browser and refresh it. You will see it will return the data of these students who have secured marks more than 300. Means in this way we can put some condition. In this way we can apply some condition to the query. You can see it is showing the data of these first three students who have secured more than 300 marks. So in the same way you can apply some more conditions, like you can use less than sign. Means if you want to check the student who have secured mark less than 300 or 300 or less than 300, then it will display these four results. You can see 300, 200, 250, 150. Means in this you can see it is displaying the data of these four students. First one is 300, 200, 250, 150. In the same way you can use equal to sign. You want to check out the student who has secured 300 marks. So I will reload it. It will display the data of this student. In the same way you can use some other column, like if you want to check the student record who has A grade, who has secured A grade. Means so we will write where grade equal to, and single quotes we will use because this is a string value. It will be just like a string value, so we will use A plus. It will display the data of those students who have a grade of A plus. So we will go to browser and reload it. You will see it will display the data of these two students who has A plus grade. In the same way, if you want to check out those student who has whose grade is C, so need to go to browser and refresh it. You will see it will display the data of this student because the grade of this student is C. Guys, you can apply conditions or other columns as well. Suppose I want to check the data of student name Rishabh. So I will write select start from table name, which is student record, then where clause, then after that we will write name, and then single quotes. In between these two single quotes we will write the name of the student. So I'll write Rishabh. Refresh, you will see it will display the data of Rishabh. Guys, here we are applying just one condition on where clause, but you can apply more than one condition at a time in where clause. You can use AND operator or you can use OR operator. So firstly we will talk about AND operator with where clause. So we will write select start from students record where, firstly I will check where marks is greater than equal to 300. So it is displaying the data of these three students because these three students have marks greater than 300. Now we will apply second condition. So we will use AND operator, and then we will use second condition. Suppose I want to check out select star means I want to fetch the record of those students whose marks are greater than 300 and they are from India. So I will use second condition. Then I will write and address, name of the column. This is address, then India. So it will check for the both condition, means both conditions should be true, only then it will display the results. So we will go to browser and reload it. You will see it will display first two results because these two students are from India, means address is India, and they have secured more than 300 marks, means 300 or 300 more than 300 marks. So means both conditions should be true, otherwise it will not work. Suppose if I will write some other country name like China, so it will check select star from student record where marks should be greater than 300. So these three students have greater than 300 marks, means 300 or more than 300, and then an address should be China, means that student should be from China and the mark should be more than 300 or 300 or more than 300. So reload it, nothing will be displayed because this condition is true, but this condition is false because no student is from China who has secured more than 300 marks. So means both conditions should be true, otherwise this query will not work. Suppose if I write Punjab here, what will happen? Nothing will be displayed on the screen. Because first condition is true, there are three students who have more than 300 marks, 300 or more than 300 marks, but nobody belongs from Punjab, means between these three students nobody is from Punjab, so that's why it is not displaying anything. Means both conditions should be true, otherwise this query will not work. Means because these three students have more than 300 marks and their address is India and New Delhi, but we are checking second condition and address should be Punjab, but the one student is for Punjab but his marks are not more than 300, so it is not displaying anything on the screen. Now guys, we will talk about OR operator. Suppose if we will use OR operator, what will happen? You will see it will display these four results because firstly it will check for this condition, mark should be greater than 300, so it is displaying the data of first three students. Then OR, we have used OR, address should be Punjab, address equal to Punjab, so this student has address of is from Punjab, so that's why it is displaying his data as well. Because we have written in the query select star from students record where marks greater than equal to 300 or address equal to Punjab, means one of the conditions should be true. Suppose if I write China here and we will go to browser and refresh it, it will display the data of first three students because first condition is true and second is false, so it will display the data of first condition, means one of the conditions should be true to run this query. So this was about way close in PHP. Guys, if you still have any question, you can go to my discussion forum or you can leave a comment below. So thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get recent updates about my videos. Let's see you in the next tutorial.